wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best Osmo games. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. Bring the toy car action that you loved as a kid to the next generation with the Hot Wheels Mindracers game. Your kids will race to the finish using tokens to get speed boosts or attack other racers. When they're done, everything can be stashed away in the included case. It helps to build dexterity and includes 6 specially designed Hot Wheels cars. However, this one's less educational than other sets. At number 5, budding artists will love the Creative set, which features 3 games designed to stimulate the imagination and help to develop drawing and fine motor skills. This set includes a large dry erase board with markers and a fuzzy pouch that doubles as an eraser. It includes an animated monster game, and kids as young as 4 can play, but the board is difficult to erase. Coming in at number 4 on our list. Children can explore basic math skills with Osmo Numbers. This unique game fosters a fearless exploration of math problems, in which kids can learn there are multiple solutions to the same problem instead of boring rote memorization. It includes number and dot tiles and offers intuitive real-time feedback. However, the levels can get repetitive. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Osmo games, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3. With coding adventures with awbie, children are given literal building blocks, providing a tactile learning experience while playing on their iPad. Tons of blocks are included, and each one represents a different command with various directional buttons to explore. It's a great introduction to coding that features playful characters. It's good for kids aged 5 to 12. At number 2, the pizza company will have your children developing math and money skills with this exciting pizza making challenge. Players will have to use their reasoning abilities to make the correct pie and ensure that they have happy customers. The skill level adjusts by ability, and it encourages entrepreneurship. It can be played cooperatively. And coming in at number 1 on our list. If you're just beginning to explore Osmo gaming accessories, the Genius Kit makes an excellent introduction. It includes the gaming system as well as 5 games that will stretch your child's creative skills by encouraging problem solving and visual thinking. It was the 2015 Toy of the Year and includes 7 tangram pieces plus letters. It's compatible with all iPads. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Osmo games, or simply click beneath this video.